Hi everyone, I'm Edmund and I'm at the Singapore Botanic Gardens. Today, I'm going to explore the rainforest, which is one of the oldest remnants of primary rainforests in Singapore. Come join me.
Located within the green lung of central Singapore, this 6.2-hectare rainforest is home to over 300 species of flora, which indicates how a city in nature can support a rich diversity of tropical plant life even though our land area is small.
More than 80% of the plant species found here are rare or endangered, both in the gardens and in Singapore.
Some species of plants, like the Massawa mara, were also first described from plants found in this very rainforest.
They're conserved here as part of NParks' efforts to conserve Singapore's natural heritage.
The rainforest is a multi-layered wonder, starting with the emergence at the top, the canopy layer in the middle, and the understory layer at the bottom.
Here we are along Rainforest Trail. Let us follow this boardwalk to explore the area. See these spines? Many rattans have spines on their leaves, which act as hooks to aid in climbing over other plants and to deter animals from eating them. Be careful when you walk past these plants, you don't want to be caught among them.
There are forest giants living within the rainforest. Many of these tall trees, such as the kempas tree, have thick buttress roots that create a large surface area to support and prevent them from falling over. Do you hear that? That is the sound of the cicadas. Their persistent myriad of buzzing or clicking sounds remind us of the rich diversity of life teeming in the rainforest.
Do you notice the vines? These are lianas, which are commonly associated with swinging vines in the story of Tarzan. You will see plenty of them as you walk further into the rainforest.
These vines have adapted to life in the rainforest by rooting themselves into the ground and climbing high into the tree canopy for sunlight. A species of liana that is found in the rainforest is the wild grapevine relative Tetrastigma, which is also the host plant for the Rafflesia flower. You can also find a few fig trees here. Scientifically, figs are also known by their generic name Ficus. The common red-stem fig is a tall tree with many clusters of fruit-like bunches. Each fruit-like globule is actually known as a fig or a syconium, within which flowers are born and pollinated by fig wasps through an opening called the osteo. These flowers then internally develop within the syconium into seeds. The strangling fig starts its life up in the tree canopy instead of on the ground. The seeds are dispersed on the branches of rainforest trees by fruit-eating birds and bats, and germinate on these branches. These saplings send down numerous aerial roots to the ground as the plant grows, and the host plant will be overwhelmed by the fig's growth and eventually die off, leaving the strangling fig standing in its place.
The rainforest has also been planted with saplings of rare native trees such as the Meranti laut here. This is to ensure that the next generation of trees is ready to take over some of the declining mature trees.
Apart from the interesting trees and plants, you can also find many forest animals here too. You might be able to spot the greater racket-tailed drongo. It has two distinctive outer tail feathers which resemble spoon-shaped rackets, and is usually seen alone or in pairs flying from tree to tree. The common tree shrew is a small slender mammal with a long snout and bushy tail. Though often easily mistaken for squirrels, shrews are actually more closely related to primates, whereas squirrels are related to rodents. It feeds on insects, leaves, and fruits. The slender squirrel is a diminutive mammal native to Singapore. The slender squirrel tends to prefer forest habitats only. They can sometimes be spotted based on their territorial vocalizations, which resemble birds chirping.
We've come to the end of this trail. If you want to see more, you can also plan your own trip down to the rainforest with the help of our DIY trail guides. Have fun exploring. Bye!